Hi guys, I know that you're watching this video because you're having some issues with your New Jersey unemployment compensation, and I'm going to show you a simple step that you can take so that you can get your money. So the first thing is to open a browser and type NJ legislator. And then click on the first one that says NJ legislator. Then go down to find your legislator right here. Then click on district map. After that, you can type your address right here, or you can go ahead and click on your district number. So my district number is District 27, and that is for Livingston. So I'm going to click on District 27. So you have to click on the district number that is associated with your address. So mine is District 27. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then these are the people that I can contact in my district. So I'm going to go ahead and click on See District Details. So these are the 3 persons that I can contact. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one. And then click on Contact Your Legislator right here. And right here, you can go ahead and click all 3. So in the subject line, you want to put unemployment compensation. So you're going to scroll down and click on, and that's under labor, unemployment compensation. Then you fill in your information, your name, your phone number, email address, and all of that. And then here you're going to send them a message, and then click on send, and they will contact you via email or via phone. So this is how you can go about getting your unemployment compensation faster, and I hope this video was of help to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.